Hey guys, so we have a very exciting night tonight. We got the rims for the Subaru. Yes, we are very excited. We are going to replace, get out of the way, Kona. Replace the stock wheels and tires with some methods and some BFGs. So, first things first, we're going to see what the rims look like. Are you excited? Uh-huh. We're going to see what the rims look like, and then we have to pick up our tires a little bit later. But yeah, we're going to get them put on and let you guys see what it looks like. All right, she's opening it up. We already unboxed one of them right there, but we're going to do this one for you guys. There's 2 rims per box. It's pretty heavy, huh?
Yeah.
I forget the exact model of these, but I will put the link in the description to on the Amazon link or whatever. So if you like these, you can buy them. Sweet. Can't forget the method sticker, bro. There you go. Oh, they're so pretty. Dude. What do you think? You like them?
Fantastic.
They're sweet, huh?
Uh-huh.
Man, they look good. I like the got a nice finish.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they look sweet. All right, so we just got back from our Las Vegas trip, and it was really fun. But we are super stoked to put these on. We're gonna go to Sam's, and we ordered some tires there. We're gonna get them mounted up, and yeah, we're really excited. We'll show you guys what it looks like when we're done. Just got back, and they look freaking good. Check them out. I'll link in the description exactly what these are, but these are the Method 502 wheels, 15-inch, and the BFG KO2's. They're 215 something or other. Yeah, it looks awesome. They're a little bit noisier than normal, right?
Yeah.
But they're really not bad at all. Like, I can barely tell. And we went on the freeway and everything. They stick out just a hair more. There's a little bit more back spacing than the other stock wheels. Let's see if I can get a decent, you can see there, yeah, they kind of stick out a little bit. Another thing we're thinking about is trying to put the center cap in. We might use this stock one. We might plasti dip it black and see what that'll look like. But I think the silver lug nuts actually look pretty good. It's got like a pretty good accent to it. Let's go from the rear. Yeah, it looks awesome. And that looks really good in the back. These OEM mud flaps actually look really good on it too. So we are thinking about putting I have a cargo basket we might put on the top. We might take off the bike racks here. We got the center caps here. These are just the stock ones. From what I've read, they do fit really well, but they also make some shims. Subtle Solutions makes some shims in here, but I've read everywhere that you don't need them. But we still don't know if we want this on there yet, so we're gonna kind of mock it up and see. I don't know. I think it looks good. I like both, honestly. I definitely think the center cap looks more finished. I don't know if that's a good or bad thing. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe we'll. I mentioned earlier I might paint these or plasti dip these black. Those might look good. Just to keep some dust and dirt out of the center. So we did decide to do the plasti dip on these center caps. I just put a light dusting of one coating on here. So when I finish these, we'll slap them on the car and see how it looks.